Upon removing the bolts from the center cartridge internal cover, we're going to remove the internal cover. Now that that has been removed, we are now removing the thrust bearing, and we are going to reposition the center cartridge in the vise. Now that we are repositioning the center cartridge in the vise, the next step is to use a special tool, which is a specific tool for this specific turbo, and this helps ensure the proper depth of the VGT actuator gear shaft compared to the housing. Also, we are going to check for proper and full range motion of this gear. The next step is to loosen the VGT shaft clamp, as you can see here. And once that is loose enough, we're going to remove the VGT shaft. As you can see, there's a VGT shaft seal, which isn't looking too good. And the next thing we're going to do is remove the VGT fulcrum lever. The next step is to push down on the two VGT shafts, which are actually going to push the vanes out of the bottom side. And now we have a bird's eye view of what this little thing looks like. Now it is time to remove the turbine shaft from the housing. And now you can see what the remainder of the turbine vanes look like. And that's the compression ring. That is what seals the turbine shaft to the housing.